2024 Aston Martin DB12. The excellence of the 2024 Aston Martin DB12 is undeniable. Its low-slung body is stop you in your tracks and crane your neck for a better look dazzling. It has the execution that its overheated looks guarantee, but let its demonstrate title lead you to expect that Aston stuffed a V12 into it. The all-new terrific tourer is fueled by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 creating 671 drive, sufficient muscle to thrust the DB12 to a beat speed of 202 miles per hour, concurring to Aston. It's a excellence on the interior as well, mixing high-quality materials with advanced innovation. The Roadster is right now on deal, whereas the Volante convertible will gotten to be accessible exceptionally before long. Long, moo, and smooth, the unused DB12 is an totally modern demonstrate for Aston, what the company portrays as a super tourer. Conveyances are anticipated to start amid the third quarter of this year. As things stand presently, there are no trim choices to be made for the DB12, as a result it carries a huge cost tag. The DB12 comes basically completely stacked with as it were a few appearance things accessible as choices to assist you customize the car to your demanding standards. In genuine terrific tourer design, the DB12 could be a execution pure blood. The twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 within the paunch of the DB12 produces 671 drive. We think that's sufficient to spring the car to 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds on the way to a best speed of 202 miles per hour. The control is sent through an 8-speed programmed transmission and electronic raise differential. We sampled the DB12 on twisty mountain streets within the south of France and came absent inspired both with the car's savage V8 powertrain and its adjusted taking care of. Indeed, within the most forceful drive mode, Aston Martin has protected a comfortable ride without compromising as well much on the DB12's cornering reflexes, but the throttle reaction may be a bit as well forceful and out of step with the car's character. The EPA has given the DB12 fuel economy appraisals of 14 mpg city and 22 mpg interstate. Those numbers aren't incredible, but for a sports car with 671 drive, we anticipated the DB12 to be a bit of a gas guzzler. When we get a chance, we'll take the DB12 on our 75 mph throughway fuel economy course and upgrade this story with real-world test comes about. As a grand touring sports car, inside's consolation is fair as imperative as execution. Fittingly, Aston has adorned the insides of the DB12 with a mix of high-end materials. Hand-stitched calfskin wraps nearly each surface from the seats to the Sprint. Cargo room checks in a car made for traveling. We do not have specifics on how numerous carry-on bags will fit within the DB12 however, but will upgrade the story once we get our hands on a DB12 for testing. The DB12 comes with the brands to begin with in-house infotainment framework. A 10.3-inch center infotainment screen underpins remote Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. An 11-speaker sound framework is standard, with a 15-speaker Bowers and amp. Wilkins system available.